Today we will introduce you to the model 311 from the renowned German manufacturer Acoustic Solid. With a total weight of 18 kilograms, the 311 is a genuine mass-loaded design. The 40mm aluminium platter alone weighs 8 kilograms. However, the most exciting thing about the 311 is its pricing. The total price in Germany is 2,899 euros for a combination of a turntable, Tonearm and cartridge. Considering that the cartridge Shelter 301 Mark II alone has a retail price of 999 euros, the total price can only be described as very reasonable. The metal base has precisely the diameter of the platter. Mounted to the base are 3 lateral outriggers with spike feet and the base height adjustment. You could couple the base directly to a hard surface with the spike feet, but then the surface would have to be very resistant. It is better to use the included washers. The Tonearm base is also screwed to the base plate and can be easily exchanged if necessary. For example, if you want to mount a superior or simply a different Tonearm. The pre-mounted Tonearm comes from Riga and is a proven model used thousands of times on various turntables for many decades. If desired, this Tonearm can be easily modified and upgraded. Acoustic Solid already has given the arm a height adjustment utilizing a special sleeve. The Shelter 301 Mark II cartridge is pre-mounted. It is the entry-level model of the Japanese manufacturer, which is relatively well behaved in tracking with a round needle and an aluminium stylus cantilever. With an output voltage of a healthy 0.4 millivolts, the Shelter system should handle any MC-capable phono preamp very well. The 8 kilogram platter has a stainless steel bearing mandrel with a pressed-in ceramic ball. The bearing bushing in the turntable base is made of brass and has a separate bearing mirror made of Teflon to minimize friction. The platter is driven on the outer diameter via 2 silicone belts and a separately standing motor. In its housing we find the actual motor and the complete control unit, a novelty at Acoustic Solid. Here you can conveniently switch between 33 and 45 RPM and fine-tune the speed during operation. The Acoustic Solid 311 can be set up and adjusted by a reasonably experienced user within a few minutes. The more than extensive accessoires, which Acoustic Solid thankfully always includes, also help with this. In terms of sound, you can tell that the Acoustic Solid is already one of the great turntables. The reproduction seems immensely stable and dynamic at the same time. Especially with strong impulses in the bass range, the drives pull through properly and can thus fully exploit the record's dynamics. Our conclusion: with the Acoustic Solid 311, you get a commanding turntable, paired with a cleverly chosen Tonearm cartridge combination at an extremely attractive price.